7th Standard Social Science Lesson number 9 Advent of the Europeans to India. Answer the following questions in a sentence. Question number 1. Who were the first Europeans to reach India for trade? Vasco da Gama were the first Europeans to reach India for trade. On 17th May 1498, Vasco da Gama reached Calicut in Kerala. Page number 93. Who discovered the sea route to India? Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to India, thereby discovering a new sea route to India. Through this sea route, the Portuguese were the first among the Europeans to reach India. Page number 93. Name the capital of the Dutch. Pulicat became the capital of the Dutch. Page number 95. When was the British East India Company established? In 1600 Christian era or 1600 Christian era was the British East India Company established. Page number 95. Name the trade centers of the French. Answer. The trade centers of the French was Pondicherry, Machilipatnam, Calicut, Maha, Karaikal and Chandranagar. Pondicherry was the capital of the French. Page number 97. Question number 6. Who was the Mughal emperor who granted Dastak to the British? Farrukh Siyara was the Mughal emperor granted Dastak to the British. Page number 96. Main question number 2. Discuss in groups and answer the followings. Question number 1. List out the causes responsible for the decline of the Portuguese in India. Answer. Causes for the decline of the Portuguese: position of strong navy by the Dutch and the English posed as a formidable challenge to the Portuguese. Second point, Portuguese government officially became highly corrupt, losing their loyalty, later reduced their government a pathetic condition. Page number 94. Another one more 2 points is there. Please read and write. Question number 2. What were the causes that led to the decline of the French? Answer. Causes for the French decline. First one, French army commanders in India were not given complete support by the government of France. Second point, political confusion and revolutions took place in France. This led to their decline in India. French navy was not superior to the English navy. Page number 97. Match the following. List A. Portuguese, Dutch, French, English. List B. Pondicherry, Calicut, Pulicat, Goa. Question number 1. Portuguese, Goa. Dutch, answer Pulicat. French, answer Pondicherry. English, Calcutta.